Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials: free CPU cores, update GPU drivers, and close heavy background apps. Once done, match OBS resolution to your stream or recording. Lowering from 4K to 1080p or 720p reduces load immediately. Next, pick the right encoder. NVENC offloads the GPU, X264 uses the CPU, so choose based on which chip is less taxed. Also set a sensible bitrate, 2,500 to 6,000 kbps for most live streams, and make sure CPU preset is not ultra slow. You now dive into the complex middle. Fine-tune the encoder and scene setup so OBS stops bottlenecking. For live, use CBR with a 2-second keyframe interval. For files, prefer CRF or VBR with a higher bitrate cap. Once configured, elevate OBS process priority to above normal so the OS favors it, and switch to game capture for full-screen apps to reduce compositor overhead. Finally, simplify scenes. Remove redundant sources, disable expensive filters, and use lower-resolution browser sources to keep frames steady. You finish by validating and stabilizing. Perform a 5 to 10-minute test while watching OBS stats, dropped frames, encoder, and render. Once done, enable hardware acceleration and consider a dual PC or capture card if single system resources are maxed. Make sure network is stable. Use wired Ethernet to avoid packet loss. If issues persist, switch encoders between NVENC and X264, drop output scale or bitrate, and update drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the problem during a test, then change one variable at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.